Good morning, traders, and these are my Forex setups for today. So we're still pretty much trading the same pairs. Got one trade in at the moment, which not going pretty far at the moment. But I think the one that I am interested in right now is what's happening here on Euro USD. So we've had a breakout. I just want to come to the daily here. So we kind of had a breakout below these levels here. If I could say those fractals there. So we've had this breakout here of 113,531, and we've now sort of tagged. If you look to the left, you see there's quite a bit of interaction here at 114,242. So if we just drill down to the hour, those are my levels. Got a bit of a gap in the data. TradeStation was down early this morning, and yeah, it bit of a mixed bag for me at the moment because I would have expected opportunities to buy around here. We blasted through that. Here was another opportunity, which we did get an opportunity to buy, but now we're basically below this level. So I need to look for the next logical opportunity to buy, and that's pretty much going to be down here. So I'm kind of out of this until we get either a clear break up and retest of this area. Okay, so I need to be above 114,242 and a retest, and we start moving to the upside. Or alternatively, I'm looking for us to come back down into 113,700 at the moment. Yeah, I think we've got data coming out this afternoon as well, so that's probably going to influence us as well. So I'm still on hands on that pair right now. Euro Aussie dollar is still long on this pair. Contemplating actually just getting out of it now. Should be a break even. So just start at the 8 hour here, I'll just give you the indication. So the entry for me anyway was down here, pretty much on this level here. Okay, you can see we came down, we bounced off it, but now we're not really moving anywhere, but we are flirting with this moving average, which is why I'm just holding on to it. Stop was below this fractal here. I've moved it up to this fractal here. So I put a level in there. So we're sitting just below 162,543, and the entry was 162,813. Pretty much slightly in profit, but not much. I'm looking for a breakout above this zone here. Okay, so that's kind of the trade we're looking for. I was actually looking for us to get back here yesterday. That didn't transpire. If we just look at it now, we are creating higher highs here on the hour. We have broken through this level. Who knows? We may just come back and test this area now and then bounce, but we'll wait and see. Stop is in place. It's not too much risk. I think the risk to reward on this is pretty much, so that's a 300 point risk to 1,000 points. So that's a 3-to-1 trade. That, so I think I'll hold on to that for a bit longer just to see what transpires. Euro Swiss franc, just not getting an opportunity to get in on this one. So the pullback was pretty much down here. That was an opportunity to get in, and since then it's been one-way traffic. So I am still paying attention to it because I'm looking for an opportunity to get in. So the first logical area is going to be around here. Okay. That's 107,321. If that doesn't materialize, then there's another great area down here, which clearly we missed because there's a buying opportunity right here. Okay, so I think on the bigger picture, we have this level that we've broken through as well. Okay, so that may also offer an opportunity. You just want to get to a 4-hour chart, see if there's something there. That is a breakout. Yeah, so that's the other level. If we can get onto 107,689, that would give us a fairly decent opportunity to buy as well. But we're going to have to wait for this one. I think the horse is bolted, and I definitely missed it. So there were two opportunities. First one was down here at 106,550. Second one was right here, 107,034. I don't know what I was doing there. Obviously sleeping, and because that was a proper trade off that level. If I come to the 15 minutes on that, that would have been Yeah, pin bar off a level right there. Anyway, okay, so I think wait for the pullback, and this thing is still, as far as I'm concerned, breaking up, moving up, trend change. So you're going to get lots of opportunities to buy into that pair. Pound Swiss franc. This one is really confusing at the moment. So the question is, do we have? So we sort of had this wedge, and then it played to the downside, and then we're back into the wedge again. Now the question is, what are we going to do? Where to from here? So you can see there's a pretty strong area of resistance up here that we're bouncing off. So I'd like to see us come onto support, and let's assume that this is a trend change. So what we want to see what happens to price action. This is a fairly strong area right here, which is 118,483, and then there's another fairly strong one a little bit further down around this area here, which is 118,340. So lots of indecision going into close yesterday, but I think it would be worthwhile just paying attention to see what happens here. Maybe you get another leg to the upside here. Okay. But generally this is sideways at the moment, so whatever you do, just keep your stops really tight and take profit on your levels. You'd probably be able to do this on the 15 as well. Sort of pretty much what I'm going to be doing. I'll wait to see what happens at the levels. If we do come down into this area here of 118,340, there is a fairly decent opportunity at a trade round here. 280 point stop loss, targeting the previous highs at 773. So 3-to-1 trade again on Forex pair. Last one here is Euro New Zealand dollar. Now, I haven't been paying much attention to this. Been waiting for a decent pullback, and I think that pullback has happened. We haven't quite tagged this area that I would have liked us to tag, which is 173399. So I'm still watching this area. I'd like to see us pull back into this area, and that should offer an opportunity to buy here. This is a major trend reversal, by the way. This has been a very strong trend to the downside. You can see it's been trending for quite some time. We've broken above this level. We've come back. We haven't quite tested it. I'm still waiting for an opportunity to see that it's testing. And if we do that on the hour, you can see, let's just get that up. You can see basically I would expect some kind of a rejection off here and possibly come back and start building an opportunity to get in long. Okay, bit of a flag forming here as well, which is quite interesting. Over there. Okay, so I think you're probably going to be mucking around in this flag for pretty much most of this morning, I think, until the data comes out later this afternoon. At that point, that may influence this, but I think ultimately this is something similar to Euro Aussie dollar at the moment. It does look like it's looking for an opportunity to break the upside, but it's just taking its time about it. Okay, so pretty much watching this. I want to see a break above this area though. So I want to see a break above 173,890, come back, test it, and then see if we can get through this area here. If we get further down, it's just going to offer better opportunity. Stop area right now is below 173,399. Okay, so those are my opportunities right now, pretty much all longs that I'm waiting for. And we'll continue watching those through the week. I think I just find it far easier to pick a few pairs to watch and then have a few indexes that I'm watching as well. It just allows me to focus a lot better. Okay, anyway, guys, that's it for me on Forex today. Hope it helps you, and we will catch you in the morning. Cheers for now.